Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about different ways to refresh the web page using Selenium. So there are like more than one way to refresh the web page in Selenium, and we are like going to discuss all of those as part of this video. So let's start with the first way. So as you can see, I'm going to execute or I'm going to demo all this on my facebook.com page. I have already set up my Chrome driver. I have created my driver object. Then I've written the driver.get method as well. So I'm going to show you the first way. So the first way is with the refresh method you like provided by your Selenium. So again, like this is the most preferred and most desired way to basically refresh the page. So I'm going to show you that using refresh method provided by Selenium. So it is very simple, like the implementation part is very simple for this. It is just a one-liner code. You have to say driver dot navigate dot refresh. That's it guys, like this is the only one-liner code that you have to write to basically refresh your current web page. Okay, so now let's move to the second method or second way I would say. In a second way, we are basically going to use the current URL object and then navigating to that particular object. So it's again very simple. So what we are going to do is we are going to store the current URL object where we are right now, and we are going to save that object into one of my string object, and I'm passing that to your navigate method. Okay, so let's see the implementation, then we will be like more clear on this. So using the current URL, or you can say getting current URL and passing it to my navigate method. Okay, and in this basically what you have to do is you have to use the Selenium methods only. Like I'm going to do the operation on driver itself, driver dot get current URL. So this get current URL basically going to like give you the current URL on which the web page is. So right now I'm on my facebook.com page only, so it is going to pass me this URL itself, and the return type of this method is string. So I'm going to store into a string variable. I'm going to say URL. Okay, and there is like a method from navigate we're going to use, so which has been implemented as driver dot navigate, and you have to say to, and you have to pass your URL object. Okay, so in this basically we are storing our current URL into string variable and then passing it to your navigate object who has like a to method. So this is again the second and the very easiest way to basically refresh the web page. Now let's move to the second way, third way. So in the third way, we are basically going to use actions class along with the keyboard character sequences. Okay. So in this basically we need actions class object. So I'm going to create my actions class object. Actions equals new actions, and this requires basically your driver object. So I'm going to pass driver, and now you have to use your actions class object on which you are basically going to do the keyboard character sequence operation. So to do the keyboard character sequence options like sequences, we need the actions object. So I'm going to say actions dot, then you have to say key down. So this key down basically takes your character sequences. So in this basically I have to say keys dot control, and then I have to pass with the help of send keys dot f5. So this is again very similar to what we do manually, like whenever we are refreshing the page with the help of keyboard on laptop or on like personal computer, we use the F5 key, right? So in a very similar fashion, like we are doing this with the help of like actions class. So this is the only step we need to follow, and we have to say build then perform. So again, this perform method is going to like implement or run or execute, you would say, to execute all chain of actions. So this is the third and the most easiest way, I would say, with the help of actions class. Now let's discuss the fourth way. So in the fourth way, we are basically going to use JavaScript executor object. Okay. So in this, basically you need JavaScript executor object. So I'm going to create the JavaScript executor object. Say executor equals, and I have to like map my driver with it. So I'm saying driver, and to map that I have to say JavaScript executor. So the mapping is very simple, and once you map that, you have to use that object, and there are two methods which you can basically use: execute script and execute async script. I'm going to use execute script for now, and in this basically you need to pass your script. So the script we are going to use is window dot location dot reload, and in this we need to pass parameter as true. Okay, so this will basically going to help us to refresh our current page using Selenium. Okay, so this is the fourth with the help of like JavaScript executor. And the fifth one, so the fifth one, in this again we are going to use our Selenium method, that is nothing but the send keys. So in this we are going to use send keys method along with the keyboard sequences. Okay, so this is again very simple. Like suppose you have to like refresh your current page, so you need to just have the current page object, any of the web elements object or locator, and this and on that basically you need to do the send keys, and then you have to pass your keys.fy, again very similar to what we did with actions class. So let me show you. Driver dot find element, then you have to pass your object of your current web element or the page on which you are. So suppose I am on my facebook.com page, I will just inspect this, and this is the ID I'm going to copy. Okay, and I'm going to say by dot ID. So you can actually take any web element on that page where you want to do the refresh, and I'm going to pass the locator value, and then you have to say send keys, and then keys dot fi, again what we did with the actions class. So this is the single or like one liner code basically can help you to refresh your current web page. So that's it guys for today's video. We as part of this video we actually seen like 5 ways basically to refresh the web page in Selenium. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.